guys, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to draw a cute little girl on Procreate, or basically anywhere you want. Start by drawing a circle, fill it in with color, the neck, then the ear. Make sure it's really circly and it's cute so that we know it's a cartoonish girl. Then start by adding a new layer. You understand, you add a layer upon the first. Then choose a darker tone like mostly brown for the hair. Give cute little bangs to the girl. Make sure the end part is light. This is coloring brush that I'm using. It's available. If you DM me, I can share it with you. It really feels as if I'm coloring like a child, that too professionally. I'm gonna add details now. I'm gonna go with the lighter version. Given the perfection, all it needs is perfection, like fill in all the white gaps, small ones, add new stripes of hair. Continue the process through and fro to get the hairstyle you really want. Then start by adding her nose and blush. Okay, I'm gonna take a pinkish shade because I really love that shade. I'm gonna draw cute little blushes on both the cheeks so that she looks cutie. And then I'm gonna add the lips by a slightly darker pinkish red shade. Okay, and then it's the eyes time. For the eye, I'm gonna switch the lid to go below the lid because I want it behind my hair strands and not in front of. Right, so here you go, your cute little girl. Now I'm gonna add more bangs to make her look cuter, and then I'm gonna add a bit of highlights to her hair as well. And I'm gonna make sure that her chin is really perfect, not really chubby, because I could have made her chubbier, but I like her this way. I'm gonna give a highlight to the neck as well, showing shadows of the neck and giving the face a perfect structure. Here we have our cute little girl. Let's add a bit more detail to it just before it's over. If you want more digital as well as physical tutorials on how to draw things, I would suggest you watch my YouTube channel, see what it's like, learn as much as you can from it, because I'm a learning artist and it would be great if you can learn from me too. Thank you guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you.